Hey guys, today I'm here and I'm going to be reviewing the Nubian 2 palette. This is by Juvia's Place. I love this one. It's like almost like an Egyptian themed on the outside, and it's like this like mustardy gold. I do have other palettes, by the way, by Juvia's Place. So far, though, I only reviewed the Warrior 2, the Saharan 2, and the Nubian 2. I guess I like the 2s. Because I didn't use the other ones in as much as I want to do a review on them. Because I also was playing with the Brown Sugar palette. So I'm sorry, I know it's taking a while, but these were a lot of eyeshadow palettes. And I want to make sure I do a good job reviewing for you guys. But let's get into it. So here's what it looks like. Guys, Juvia's Place is now up there with ColourPop because I am absolutely loving their formula. I love the amount of product you get, as well as their shimmer shades are so nice. They're so buttery smooth, and even if I don't foil them, they're super intense, which doesn't always happen with a lot of shimmer shades. So if you actually foil these, they really pop. I absolutely love this. I think it's like, I mean, of course you can use this all year round, but especially for fall. Their orange shades that they do, I don't know what it is about their orange shades. I normally am not really drawn to those, but I really like the tones that they use. Same with like their berries. This shade here, Jezebel, it's a little dry as a matte. However, it still works amazing. But if you're going to swatch it and touch it, you'll notice that one's a little bit dry. But so nice. These, oh my god, they're so smooth. I just love the tones in these. They're so pretty. And I love how some of them, like this one, Zuri, I hope I'm not saying it wrong, but like if you put that on your lid, it kind of reflects, or sometimes it looks a little bit more gold, sometimes a little bit more white gold. It's just really beautiful. Overall, really love this palette. I believe this one was $25. I got this one off of Ulta. Highly recommend. I love the packaging, nice, sleek. I love how it's like Egyptian, African themed. I think that's gorgeous. And I don't know, I just think it looks so pretty with the yellow and the hot pink. Highly recommend. Great quality shadows. Affordable. You don't need to spend a fortune. Have really cute makeup. Definitely like these. By the way, if you guys haven't yet, check out my Juvia's Place haul. It's like an Ulta haul video. And then you guys can kind of see which other palettes I got. If you guys want any requests for looks, tutorials, and all that, and which kind of palettes you guys would like to see, definitely let me know. I'll do my best to do that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.